It is March 2018. We had a very quick but very heavy snow last night. I don't know if the video really shows how absolutely awesome this looks. Certainly has done a number on all the trees, but it looks extremely cool. I don't think I've really seen it stick like that. Well, I guess the only other time is October storm. I don't know, was that 2010? And back then it was even worse because that was back in October, so before all the leaves had dropped, which even though it was October, without the leaves dropping, it made it even worse because all the branches and stuff were breaking. We certainly have had a lot of branches come down from this. Just a really, really heavy snow. Pretty wild. I don't know if the video does a justice of how cool that looks. Pretty awesome looking.